So first of all, I am very thankful to Amulji because I was missing you for since long now. Because I learned ABCD of camera from your workshop only during Corona time. I
Okay.
learned exposure of the exposure diamond
Uh,
ring, everything I learned camera related ABCD from you only.
Thank
Then
you, sir.
in this seminar, in this workshop, I learned to manage pop-up flaps,
Hmm.
external flash, light modifiers, short lightning, split lightnings, Lambert
Hmm.
lightning, butterfly lightning. All these things scientifically, nomenclaturally, I understand by this workshop. So I
Okay.
can distinguish now from the photo also now that which kind of lighting is used.
Okay.
And very nicely you have explained and demonstrated the studio lighting system, studio activity, what we have to do as a photographer, and how we can take advantage of that lightning, how we can optimize and modify the light exposure, brightness, everything. What you explained practically is very
Hmm.
useful. And always your workshop is very practical, and archival is very useful because you have a lot of videos are also very useful which can be used in future also when you miss something, so we can go through the video and we can understand again.
Right.
And you are using all these tools are very routine tools you are using which can be easily available and easily adaptable by the like ordinary people also as a photographer.